Good day. Curious dude here, just working on this 50cc Chinese quad project again. Was able to purchase a battery. Now the next step is I just want to get the tank off so I can get access to the carburetor. And as you can see here, someone chose to use it looks like gum to seal the the neck to the head. And so I want to take that apart. Also, the carb has been sitting with old fuel for 4 or 5 years, so I'm pretty confident it's all gummed up. So we just want to check that out, and then we'll check if there's sparks. So the first thing I'm going to do is make sure that the fuel source is turned off, so it's not draining more fuel when I remove the line. In this case, there's a line, a gravity-fed line that comes out of the bottom of the tank into a filter and then just into this quick little valve here. So it's off, and all we need to do is remove this little clamp. And I've got a container here ready to catch any excess fuel. I'll just pull that off, and it looks like all the fuel is already evaporated. So that's a pretty simple process. There's an Allen head and a bolt on the front, and also under the front, and I'll remove those and the tank will be off.